Welcome to a journey where every wash unlocks the secret to radiant hair. Get ready to dive deep into the enchanting world of roots to radiance, where nature's magic meets your hair's deepest desires. Join us as we unveil the transformative power of organic shampoo, paving way for hair that shines with vitality and beauty. It's time to discover the magic within every bottle. So guys, let's embark on this radiant adventure together. Welcome back, bestie. So creating a DIY homemade organic hair shampoo using African black soap is a fantastic natural alternative to commercial shampoos. So in today's video, we'll be using African black soap as our base soap for the organic shampoo. In this video, I'll be using about 500 ml worth of the soap, which I will go ahead and grate into small pieces. Please note that the finer the pieces, the easier they will dissolve in water. Hey bestie, are you ready to join the family? Oh yeah, hit that subscribe button and become part of our vibrant community of Tina's Hair and Beauty. Don't forget to on your notification bell so as not to miss out on exclusive content, helpful tips and exciting updates. Together, let's elevate our hair and glowing skin journey to new heights. Hit subscribe now and let's embark on this adventure together. Homemade organic shampoos have so many benefits, which are ranging from nourishing ingredients to gentle cleansing, chemical-free formulations, environmentally friendly. Making your own organic shampoo allows you to tap into your creativity and empower yourself to take control of your hair routine, leading to a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. So after cutting our base soap to fine piece, next is to transfer it into our mixing bowl. Add hot water and allow the soap to sit and absorb the water overnight, or you can allow it to sit for 24 hours. Please ensure you cover the bowl completely. As you can see in my video, my soap is very fine, and I cut everything to fine pieces so it will facilitate the melting period. So once the black soap has melted, use a spatula or spoon to mix it up. Add additional water or herbal infusion if it's too thick. Next is to incorporate carrier oils of your choice, such as coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil for added moisture. But in this video, I'm adding 1 spoon of glycerin. Next is 1 spoon of cinnamon powder. Moving on to the next ingredient is 2 spoons of raw honey. Then my herbal infusion. My herbal infusion consists of fenugreek seeds. We all know the benefits of fenugreek seeds on hair. Then almighty rosemary leaves, which I used the dried one. Next is cloves. We have rice, sunflower, fennel seeds, black seeds, pumpkin seeds, which I soaked everything for 6 hours. Then I always apply them on my hair as leave-in, or you can as well use it on your wash day as your rinse. So after adding all my ingredients together, I make sure I mixed them thoroughly to combine. Hey bestie, are you still there? That means you're ready to elevate your hair and skincare journey. Oh yeah, now hit that subscribe button and become part of our vibrant community. Please don't miss out on exclusive content, helpful tips and exciting updates. So let me give you some seconds to on your notification bell. So together, let's embark on this adventure and unlock endless possibilities. Hit subscribe now and join the Tina's Hair and Beauty channel family. Did you know that embracing homemade organic shampoo is not just a step towards healthier hair, but also a stride towards a more sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle, with the power to customize every ingredient to meet your unique hair needs? You will enjoy a gentler, more nourishing hair care routine that leaves your hair looking vibrant and feeling fantastic. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to natural goodness of homemade organic shampoo. Your hair and the planet will thank you. So once you have mixed all your ingredients for your homemade organic shampoo, transfer the mixture into a clean and airtight container. This will help preserve the freshness and potency of the natural ingredients. Use a funnel for an easy mess-free transfer. Store the container in a cool, dark place like a bathroom cabinet and always shake well before each use to ensure that all the ingredients are well combined. Enjoy your natural, nourishing shampoo and the benefits it brings to your hair. Hey bestie! If you enjoyed this video and want to see more awesome content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community. Your support means the world to us. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. I love you and stay always blessed. Bye bye.